In this video, I want to talk about prototyping, its purpose, importance, and the various stages a creator goes through to make one. Why build a prototype? When creating a digital project, the creator will design it, review it, scrap it, and redesign it over and over again. The prototype is a scaled-down model that the creator can show to the client as proof of concept and demonstrate that the design is effective, with the added benefit of inspiring confidence. Prototyping is used to varying degrees. In certain cases, it will be financially prudent to use a rough model, just to show that the concept works. At other times, though, the design will need to be as close to the future final product as possible in order to get stakeholders on board. Prototypes can have many purposes. They can be developed just to see what the end product looks like, or the focus could be on the user experience. Ultimately, the needs of the developer will guide the design. No matter which approach is taken, most prototypes will go through 5 distinct stages. These are defining the vision, focusing on features, production, testing and refinement, and presentation. Defining the vision. In the beginning, the developer needs to create a vision for the product. This can start as sketches, mood boards, or images, or it can work as a verbal description. These must, however, answer some key questions. What problem does it solve? Who is the key market? What other options are available to fulfill the need? What is the estimated price? What materials and labor are needed? Answering these questions will demonstrate the usefulness of the design and whether its construction will justify the costs, leaving just one question: does the vision need a rethink, or can it move forward? Focusing on the key features. A natural and common mistake that creators can make is to try to construct the prototype so that it's identical to the end product. As we mentioned earlier in this video, while this can be useful for inspiring confidence and demonstrating value to the investors, it's not necessary or prudent for most other needs. The creator should focus on 1 or 2 key features of the prototype. Less critical issues like the overall cosmetic gloss of the product or the appearance of optional features are not necessary, unless, of course, they are the sole reason for the prototype. Production. Obviously, actually developing the prototype is the lengthiest part of the whole process. The creator must take into account all the various requirements and fit them together in a way that solves the problem that's being created for. We can use a relevant example of standard prototyping, an app prototype. A creator will start with a visual mock-up that has the appearance and feel of a real app, but without the working code. This demonstrates the key functions and USPs of the concept. The app prototype can then be downloaded onto your phone or through a web link to comment on or to be shown to potential clients for feedback. Testing and refinement. After the initial prototype has been rolled out, the creator will evaluate it, consider feedback and any update options, and seek out ways to improve and refine the overall process. This could be anything from a few simple tweaks to even scrapping the whole initial design and starting over from step 1. In any case, testing and refining can occur multiple times to ensure that the prototype is ready to be shared with the stakeholders. Presentation. This stage is dependent on the purpose of the prototype. In the case of a shopping app, it may include creating multiple versions for consumer testing to get feedback. This can then be used to further refine the product. It could be for showing to potential investors. It can also be used as a marketing tool to gauge interest through social media or online forums as a teaser. However it's used, it is there as a demonstration of what is possible. I hope you found this video informative. If you could benefit from a high-quality prototype for your next project, don't hesitate to drop us a message. Or if you want any further information, we are here and happy to help. Thanks for watching this video. To see what we can do for you, hit like and subscribe now.